Still leave the fuel rail there, because that's how genius
AC
Chevrolet
stuff's already
is.
done.
Hell yeah. Some of us actually do work around here. AC is done. Heat's done, plumbed. The box, the new AC box is already hung.
Good.
Almost done being wired.
All right.
We're just kind of waiting on you, Princess.
Okay. I'll finish her up.
Are you done connecting your 2 wires?
No.
I know you've been on it since about 8 o'clock this morning.
Yeah.
And we're now nearing the end of the day.
Yep.
And I
I've
see
done.
you had 4 wires to connect and
extend.
and extend.
Yep.
And they're not done yet.
Yep. I'm thinking about putting this relay in.
Oh, you still think you asked me that at like 10:30 this morning, hours ago. Scott, what do you think about putting this relay in right here? Sure, Matt, that sounds great. As I'm putting fires out.
Right. You really were putting out fires.
I really was putting out fires. It's not even a figure of speech this time. And you still don't have this relay mounted.
Yeah.
I see you pulled the pre-stripped wire ends off.
Yep.
Good, I'm glad.
Yep. I'm just waiting for you to get this thing 99% so I can come in and do the last 1%.
No.
And take all your thunder.
No, we've done that too many times where I'm here late nights and Saturdays finishing cars.
Yep.
And then you come in like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna put the positive battery cable on and hit the key and then the customer just happens to walk in and just high fives and milkshakes.
That's right. Yep.
Yeah. Because that usually happens when I'm then outside, like under a car,
Right.
covered in grease and sweating to death. And
Yep.
you're here
That's how it works.
just getting high fives and attaboys and pats on the back.
That's what I'm, yeah. So why, we shouldn't change things.
No.
We just keep going with that.
No.